Hello and welcome. I've got here one of my favourite motorhomes, mind you. It's going to cost 185,000 euros. It's 776 centimetres long. It is the Frankia Platin. It's got a rear lounge. I think it looks really good, but you might not think that, so if you hang around with me, we'll see. Right, first thing, coming in, first impression, there's a double floor. Mind you, this is the amount of money you'd expect one, but it's not very deep either. So, but you can stick your shoes in there as and when you come into the vehicle. The big selling point for this is this magnificent rear lounge with nice big windows all the way around, and up front we've got the really clever bit, which is the bed. This is a vehicle for two people. The bed has been put down. We might have a little peek at a vehicle where the bed hasn't been put down, so you can compare that as well. Under here you've got storage. The stairs slide out. This bit here comes out like that. See, so and then it goes in like that. More storage down there. Let's have a look at this part here. Comes across like that, and here we have two drainage points, enormous large shower, we've got skylight, and here we have the toilet as well. So very attractive. Now coming through here, on my right we've got some storage here, and in the storage you'll see you've got the Aldi heating fluid, the glycol. Now the Aldi system is probably the best system for keeping warm, but I've got no complaints at the Truma. It's working fantastic for me this winter. I've been sleeping in temperatures of 2 -7, and it's kept me really nice and warm in a vehicle which is 19 years older than this one. 3 burners over here, and a sink, of course, as you'd expect, and a large sink, although not as deep as maybe it could have been. Storage below, proper drawers, and down here, for example, we will find more storage. But you see, it's just not very deep, is it? But the pièce de résistance is this bit here. Right, storage all the way around. A nice large table. Come down here, sit here, and admire the rest of the vehicle. There you've got your television. Now, this vehicle at this length, 776, is a little bit shorter. No, I know, a little bit shorter than most rear lounge models. Okay, it's under 8 meters. Look, 776 is too long for me for what I do, right? So as much as I like it, I know I can't have it. I think in my case, for that way I camp, wild camping, I think that 7 meters is probably about the limit for me. But if you can manage with this, and if you always just go to campsites or something like that, then that is great. I think if you just go to campsites, though, you're missing out on so much, because you've got this fantastic how should I put it, viewing platform for what's going on outside. And one of my favorite places, for example, in Poland, I park there, and I've got these boats coming past all the time, and I can't see from where I park, I can't see the ground, so it looks as though I'm in a boat without the inconvenience of being in a boat. So it's great. So anyway, I just make that point. Others may not feel the same, but it's a nice big window, and it's, I think, really what it's all about. You want a nice big window at the back of a rear lounge. It's got these wonderful big windows in the roof as well. So looking all the way back, look, there's 5 of them, and one over the bed note as well, which would be particularly welcome on a hot summer night. You know, I could sort of sit in here all day, but I'll probably not find enough to keep you interested. Okay, look at the storage compartment up there. Frankia, so very high quality things. Now, there are those who don't like these panels. In fact, I was talking to a friend of mine the other day. He said he can't stand the light from these things at night. Well, many manufacturers now close them off. In my case, I haven't closed them off because it doesn't bother me in the slightest having them there. Now, we'll go and... no, we're not going to do that yet. We're going to have a look at the garage first. The disadvantage of the rear lounge is that it does take space away from the garage. But in this case, it's not too bad at all, really. You can easily get a couple of bicycles in there. You've the rear lounge just sticking out a little bit. You've got electronics here. I don't like that at all, though. This, to me, is a big problem. So I'm going to have to say something now, get it, aren't I? You're going to have to unscrew that there and there, or 4 of them, remove that, and then you start messing on with your fuses. I think if it's pouring with rain outside and the fuse is gone, that's not a good idea. Electric points there, 230 and 12, and the rear end here, there's also a opening to get into the boot. There you are, Platin Pure. I'm just going to take in this one here as well, so I do want to sort of demonstrate. It's a different layout, but I do want to demonstrate what the front chairs look like. This has got a queen bed at the back, but so if the bed is down, it's going to look something along these lines. You can see this motorhome in a different video. Front is very, very similar to the one I've just done. Okay, good. So storage in the double floor down there. There's your gas cupboard, and I think it's a very attractive vehicle. So thanks very much for watching this. I have actually covered the entire Frankia range on this site. You can see all of them. There's lots of rear lounge motorhomes, particularly as I'm quite fond of rear lounge motorhomes, even though I know it probably isn't suitable for me, largely because they have to be so big and the way I actually camp. But I do like to sit in them. I stayed in a friend's rear lounge vehicle not so long ago, and it was absolutely outstanding. Anyway, hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15 for the moment. Thanks, and bye for now.